Welcome back to Catch and Sail
We
Collective.
are back, Catch and Sail Collective. Today is Wednesday, a little after 9 p.m. We have missed the Walmart restock today. So, we're going to open stuff, make up for it. We're going to open up some Prismatic. If I can open it, I need to get better things to open these with. Jesus. There we go. Bingo bongo bongo. Walks into the Congo. Start cracking. Just rip these cards. I haven't opened any Prismatic yet. So here we go. If we can even open it. There we go. Wow. Okay. We're on a roll already. I got fire, water. Pokeball. EX. Take a Pokeball. Pack 2. And they just made these packs impossible. Yep. We're gonna get a set of scissors for up here. What is this? This isn't fun. At least we know we're not tampered. Wow. Hey, grass. Good luck on this pack. That means got. Ooh. Okay. I'll take that. I will take a sparkling crystal. A spec. Kind of nice getting back into hobby when there's still some older stuff I've never opened. And we got fire. Lightning. All right. What do we got here? Yep. All right. Pack 4. Pack 4. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you've made it this far. Also on our Facebook and Instagram, we're hosting a giveaway for a holiday calendar box. So if you head over to Facebook or Instagram, you'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see a post that you can enter. Yeah. I'm not good at opening these packs. I got no nails. Can't even get the little flap on the side. There we go. This whole box has been giving me problems. What's going on? Water. Basic. Dark. Milk tank. Tank. Oh, another Pokeball. Alright. Let's clean up a little bit. And fire. Psychic. EV. Last pack magic. Come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. There we go. We're gonna say basic. Oh, no. Hollow fighting. Okay. And that means, oh, another Pokeball. Oh, we got one more. Bam. All right.